Do you think your go-to snacks are just harmless treats? Think again. They might be secretly impacting your fertility. This video reveals how those innocent snacks can significantly affect your reproductive health. From hormonal balances to nutritional impacts, you'll be amazed to see what your snack choices could really be doing. Stay tuned to uncover how snacking affects your fertility. 1. High sugar content. Many snacks are loaded with added sugars. High sugar intake can lead to insulin resistance, weight gain, and hormonal imbalances. Insulin resistance predisposes you to polycystic ovaries, which can negatively impact fertility. 2. Trans fats. Snacks often contain trans fats, which are known to hurt heart health and can also affect fertility. Trans fats can alter ovulation and affect the quality of sperm and eggs. 3. High sodium levels. Many processed snacks are high in sodium, which can lead to increased blood pressure and weight gain. These factors can indirectly affect fertility by creating an unfavorable environment for conception. 4. Artificial additives, preservatives, colorings, and flavor enhancers commonly found in snacks might have a negative impact on overall health, including reproductive health. 5. Weight management issues. Overconsumption of calorie-dense snacks can contribute to weight gain and obesity, affecting fertility by disrupting hormone levels and ovulation. Your snacks can make or break your fertility. Choose nutrient-rich options for a positive impact, and avoid those that lead to weight gain and hormonal imbalances. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe for more health tips.